These are the thoughts in your mind. So instead of running away where you're running, you have a 4 o'clock bus. That's at least 10 minutes now. Just sit, relax, and let your mind dream and wander and think of how you're going to help Klal Yisrael get close to HaKadosh. Just thinking. Shut your eyes, think about it. Not tired and sleep, shabtai, but think how you're going to be productive, change, what are you going to do? Shut your eyes and dream. Just dream. What's your name? Again, I forgot. Yisrael. Shut your eyes and dream. Not sleep, dream. Be a consciously awake dream. Let your mind float and your soul go up in the holy Mount Zion, in the Diaspora Yeshiva based medrash. Let your mind float and grow and think what you can do and how to happen and what will be. Try it out for 10 minutes. Don't run away. Just think. Dream. Relax. Bring the child out in you. The excitement, the enthusiasm, the passion. You can fall and stand up as a child. You forgive as a child. Be the bonim of Hashem. Have that bonim relation to Hashem. Never Hashem. Never Nemon. Talmud Nemon. How can you be more positive, more giving, kinder to your wife and kids, more achzori to yourself and say, no, I won't follow my titles. I'll be more Yirat Shamayim. I'll exert myself. I won't mafanik myself as much. Shlomo's Gula, make people give each one you give a guy a kiss and think how you can do him chesed to help him out. Another step you never did before. Again, 3 persons, kiss him, think how you can help you and you can help him do chesed you haven't done before. Another step of chesed of tircha to help the other zulat out. They get 3 guys. Think of how you're going to do chesed to somebody in the meeting. God.